Well, I'm riding my new Mooncool trike, so here we go. Yeesh, help! I don't know what that rubbing is. I'm hearing rubbing in the tires. To check that out, but I'm going 7 miles an hour. Using pedal assist 1, the throttle a little bit, pedaling a little bit. Actually more now. Looks pretty fun. Okay, here's where it gets tricky. Turns are a little odd. I almost feel like you're gonna topple over a little bit. But, oops. Hi! It's actually a lot of fun. And I'm getting some exercise. I'm gonna prep around the building until I go get confident enough to go to the nature center and do a trail. But this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, bye.